welcome.
Oh, hello.
To another RiderCamTV video. And today we're in sunny Marizine that's got no sun.
And you can't even see the sea because it's misty.
No.
And it's wet.
I missed it. But over there in the distance is St Michael's Mount.
Which they just towed back in for the summer season. They take it away in the winter.
Yeah. So we picked this glorious scene behind you of a rusty old bridge.
But there is no parking sign.
No, there isn't. There's warning signs, but
Yeah, there
no
you go.
parking signs.
Warning.
Anyway, we
Warning.
are announcing the winner of our Datatag competition, aren't we?
We are, yeah. Can you remember the name?
Yes. The lucky winner is dun, dun, dun.
Stephen DB.
Yeah, on his Lex Moto 125.
How cool's that?
It's really good, and I'm really glad because lots of us have got these big bikes and it comes with it. But when you get lots of 125s, don't come with it, and it's really nice for those people to have it as well. So, Stephen DB,
Chosen at random.
chosen at random
With
this
a buttony thing.
lovely data tag. If it was sunny, it would look much
That
more
was
better.
an odd laugh.
So you are going to be in possession of data tag and a buff.
A buff.
From data tag.
Other buffs are available.
Yeah, courtesy of data tag. All of the stuff will be in the box. We'll get hold of you. All we need is your name, address, sort code, bank details, inside leg measurement. No, only joking. We just need to know your address so that we can get it to you, and we'll get hold of you.
So
After the fact.
gets us on the website or messages us on YouTube or any way, then
Yeah.
we'll be fine. Stephen DB on your Lex Moto 125. Austin!
Yeah, well done.